Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Jackman Road Elementary School, home of the Kicking Mules in Temperance, Michigan, outside the multi-purpose room or the gym, where we just had another 2 assemblies today. The main focus was respect, the sub-theme that we're all miracles. And I love the signage all across the school, but this one here, this bulletin board says, alone, we can do so little, together, we can do so much more. And really, when we're talking about respect, it's not just the self-respect, but it's respect for others. When we start putting other people's happiness in play, right, in our minds, in our purpose, and part of the motivation for what we do, all of a sudden we find our own too, that we're not in this alone, that we need others, and we have to be able to show that respect so that not only do we hopefully get it back, right? If you want respect, yes, we have to give it, but it's all about, treating people the way that you want to be treated, right? It's that golden rule concept. And, here in the Bedford Public Schools, it's beautiful because they stand for our Bedford best, but the 3 key expectations, right, for every elementary, middle school, high school is that we're responsible, we're kind, but we're also respectful, right? And not just, again, of ourselves and others, but of our property, of the things that we own. It's our school, that we have that pride. And when we, again, really know that the way that we make a difference in this world is by hopefully helping others, then all of a sudden, that we understand that, yes, together we can achieve and accomplish so much more. And we talk about heart marks, right? Heart bruises, the ones that you can't see. And the way that you erase those on someone else's heart is by showing them an act of compassion or act of kindness. But in reality, it also erases some of ours too. It helps to heal us. We talked about, yes, we're very different on the outside, so many of us, but on the inside, we're all the same, right? We all have hearts. They all hurt. They all heal, the same way. So, what are we doing each and every day to really be conscious of our actions and our words, right? We know that if it can affect living creatures like plants in the video that I played for this assembly, well, of course, it can affect us too. And, to know that our words have that power to either uplift or to bring down, we hopefully are choosing to raise others up, right? We talk about the bully versus the, versus the upstander, that analogy with the whale and the shark. And, this whole basically underlying theme that we really want to continue to push for respect, right? And that ties into what I bring up in all my assemblies, the fact that we're all miracles, right? We all have the letter M in our palms. I always trace mine. That M stands for miracle. Upside down, W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that principle, hopefully we're going to be that light to someone else's heart, right? And help them understand that even if they are different, that it makes them beautiful, it makes them unique. We talked about kind of how we're able to tear someone down, some of the mean things that have happened to us, some of those mean comments, hurtful actions, but then we also reversed it, right? We said, okay, what are 5 things we can say to someone besides I'm sorry, or I apologize for what I did, but hopefully something to compliment and praise them, to make them feel better, to kind of cheer them up. And in the process of doing that, we feel good too. So that's what we were really focusing on today, that idea of respect. And it was just a beautiful day. First school, Monroe Road today. The afternoon finished here at Jackman Road. But love coming back time and again, continuing to build on what we've spoken on in the past, keep that spark alive, that momentum going. So things touched my heart. Hopefully something touched yours too. As always, feel free to hit the subscribe button to pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.